guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is about YouTube Shorts Fund, a monetization guide. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest videos on it. Also press the bell icon so you can get the notification of our every new video. So let's get started. The YouTube Shorts Fund monetization is a massive $100 million initiative by YouTube enabling creators to be eligible to monetize their content. If their content can prove itself among the most viral clips and short, creators from selected countries can get a piece of the profitable $100 million by you don't have to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, which means if you are a veteran YouTube or just starting out, you are eligible. Shorts is the answer to the short form vertical slice of live videos started by Snapchat and made viral by TikTok, Instagram and search as short. Making short is easy, all you need is a YouTube account. How to make a short? Open your YouTube app, press the plus button at the bottom and you will see the option to create a short. Both offer their own pros and cons. Shooting direct from the camera offers more flexibility, whereas adding video from your camera roll gives you the option to shoot your video with a high quality camera, edit and then add your gallery. How to monetize your YouTube Shorts? Now that you have entered the world of the YouTube Shorts, the next thing to do is to monetize your content. The platform has been aimed at the next gen of content creators who can tell compelling bite-sized stories with a mobile-first approach. That being said, once you have ticked all the boxes, how do you monetize your short? Long-form YouTube videos are always monetization friendly, as long as your content did not break copyright. They provided lots of monetization opportunities through ads, primarily pre-rolled ads, pop-up ads, mid-roll ads and post-roll ads. Shorts work a bit differently, especially since the video length is shorter than the long-form YouTube video. YouTube Short monetization facts. Shorts monetization is a fairly straightforward endeavor, but we have put together a simple fact which will answer mostly of your questions regarding the topic. To begin, you need to have at least one short posted during at least 180 days on your channel. How do I qualify for YouTube Shorts? YouTube has pledged to work on a monthly model where they will reach out our creators with the most engagement and views. If you don't make it 1 month, you evaluate shorts on a monthly basis. This means you can always get your reward down the road. How will YouTube contact me regarding my reward? Once you qualify, you will be contacted by email your app notification during the first week of the following month. The notification will include instructions on how to claim your reward. Bear in mind, you will need an AdSense account in order to receive your payment. Once you are done, your money will arrive by the end of the month. What are things that could disqualify me? There is one catch though. YouTube has indicated that content must be original to qualify for the fund. Videos reposted from other apps or TikTok watermark will most likely disqualify your channel from receiving the reward. YouTube has said that for now only 100 countries are eligible for YouTube Short Fund payments. This includes US, UK, Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, South Africa. The company plans to expand eligibility to more countries in due to course. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel. So take care, goodbye.